Um, okay, the first thing is intimidation, right? And East Africa has a history of judges being killed. Remember Chiwanuka in Uganda was abducted during Idi Amin's time and killed. I personally asked the CJ whether that was true, because Kenya ni nchi ya chukunuku. So I asked her and she confirmed that the was that withdraw Mukomon, the CS, is saying that she has 32 a security was 32, which is a lie. Because I think a lot of people we are dealing with in this government tell the truth by accident. So there is a judiciary police unit in the judiciary itself. And that's the one that has overall, deals with the overall security of the the judiciary. And it's not common security. Common security, she has 4 cars there, 4 drivers, and bodyguards, and that's clear intimidation, of withdrawing it, and it has always been used by the state. You remember, even Gachagua, who was given the same treatment. I'm not a fan of Gachagua, but the Constitution protects the bad, the ugly, and yes, all of us. And it's not small things that happen, and we don't raise voices, we don't resist that are problematic. Okay, and that's why I said, if any Kenyans think that they are safe, think again. No one is safe. You don't know when you will be abducted. And even if you are not abducted, what about your relatives or your comrades and so forth? So we've condemned that withdrawal of security. Is something that they should have told her. If they said 3 people had been promoted, they could have told her. But the way it's done, and I hope you have read our own statement about that issue.